How to import bookmarks and settings from another browser to Brave. Hey there, Brave browser users, ready to switch browsers but don't want to lose your bookmarks and settings? Let's walk through how to import them from another browser to Brave. Let's dive in. Launch Brave browser on your computer and you can find it on the Start menu or by clicking on the Brave icon on your desktop. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser window to open the main menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Import Bookmarks and Settings option. Click on it to proceed. A new window will appear with a list of browsers from which you can import data. So select the browser you want to import bookmarks and settings from. Check the boxes next to the items you want to import, such as bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and more. You can choose to import all items or select specified ones. Once you've selected the items to import, click on the Import Data button to confirm. Brave browser will begin importing the selected data from the chosen browser. Depending on the amount of data being imported, the process may take a few minutes, so be patient and wait for Brave browser to finish importing your bookmarks and settings. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks and settings from another browser to Brave. Enjoy your familiar browsing experience with the added benefits of Brave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.